going to love the 2017 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, heated seats, backup camera, navigation system, trip computer, child safety locks, power brakes, clock, electronic brake force distribution. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.